So what we need to do, disconnect this vacuum line, push the white in, then pull that off. We're gonna disconnect this, and then the airbox should pull straight up. So I got a flat blade screwdriver. I'm just loosening the clamp. I'm probably gonna need to get it out some more. Yeah, probably gonna fight me to the death. It's gonna come now, it's gonna come now. Okay, done. Now the airbox is just held in by locating pins, so I should be able to pull it straight up and out. Oh, come on. Oh, gotta watch your knuckles. Watch your knuckles. There we go. Box is out.